Hey there, this is Sonny the Solar Guy, and this step-by-step tutorial is for APS homeowners that already have solar. The solar system is turned on, it's producing, and we are going to verify the accounting on APS's side to match what your monitoring software reports. We're just going to verify for accuracy and just to show you where you can find that within the APS website. So the first thing you'll do is you'll get to aps.com and you'll come over here to click log in, and you'll go ahead and log into your APS profile. And this website is a little bit slow. It's a new website for APS, so might take a minute for it to load. And when you log in, this is what you should see. So once you see this as your, the opening APS account profile page, you'll go to billing and payment. There's a heading right here, billing and payment. And underneath that, you're going to go to view your billing and usage. Click on view your billing and usage. And again, this website runs a little bit slow, so be patient with it, but it will come up. And as it comes up, you're going to scroll down, and this is what you'll see: your billing and usage, your address, last billed, current usage. You could pull a bill from here. But we are looking for, this is the energy, the electricity that this customer pulled from APS. And this is the electricity that went to APS. Now, right now, this is in graph format, and it's on a daily graph format. So you can see her solar system on August 21st created 17 kilowatt hours. Oh, what did it do on September 1st? Oh, it made 14.76 kilowatt hours. So you can manually write it all down and summarize it, but the easiest thing to do is just go over to create report and download the graph data, which we've got the last month up here. And her solar system is designed to create around 800 kilowatt hours a month. So let's see what APS has for it. Now, when you click on the file that goes into the bottom left-hand screen of your web browser, first thing you'll see when it launches Excel is the file format and extension of download graph view doesn't match. The file could be corrupt or unsafe unless you trust its source. Don't open it. Do you want to open it anyway? Yes, we do. We're going to trust the APS website. So here is the report. It's got every single day itemized and listed out, and in each column is appropriate information. But we're really just going to focus on total produced, and it's got every single day for the last month total produced. So you'll just click right here at the very bottom, and right over here in your Excel program in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a clear button, a fill button, and above that fill button is an auto sum button. Click auto sum, and it will turn this column. So the first thing you're going to do, I'll escape out of there. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click at the very bottom of this column because you want it totaled. You don't want to manually have to use a calculator. You could, but it takes too long. So go up over here to clear, fill, auto sum, hit enter, boom. There's the total. Again, her solar system was designed to create about 800 kilowatt hours a month. And because we just had some more hours of daylight in the month of September, she actually created 864. So fantastic. So if you have any questions, if there's anything I can do for you, any way to help, or you know anybody who would like to go solar, have them give me a call, 480-200-4444. 4486. And if you refer a friend, you'll get a referral bonus. Thank you.